Terry King's very small seed potato grow along for 2026. I have got 3 tubs, I'm going to harvest them all today. Let's see what I get. Right, no messing, straight in. I don't want to just pull it actually, let's see. And don't adjust your screen, we're actually getting some sunshine. I know some of you have been roasting, but we have not been. Right. Oh, some little ones. These are Desiree. Wow, I'm not expecting a lot here. Let's have a look. Got one rotten one. That must have been the seed potato. I'll put them in a wee box over here. Tell me I've got more than that. Oh no, there's one. Oh, crikey. This might not be the most impressive harvest you've seen in this challenge. Next plant. Oh, that's an early. Charlotte's. I know because I only grow 2 different kinds of potatoes. It's really easy to tell them apart. Let's see. See how much soil I can get covered in. And again, seed potato, totally used up. They're not given a huge amount, I have to say. Maybe it's just because of the level of neglect they've had. Oh, I'm getting attacked by cardboard boxes. Oh. How can that happen when nobody touches them? Right, 3rd plant. Come on. Ooh. Okay, that's not bad. It's not the nicest looking. Edible maybe. Is that it? That's the seed potato part there. Again, totally used up. That's okay. That's not the best. I was hoping for a little more. Oh no. Get my hands in. Is there anybody else in there? Is that it? Oh. I know it's a grow along, but if it was a challenge, I'd have failed miserably. Let me get the other tub. Tub number 2. We'll see if it does any better. Looks like there's only 2 plants in this, so maybe I'll get more. They've got more room. Oh, look at this, off to a flying start. Oh, that's a good one, there's no scab or anything. Oh, nice. Oh, I was going to say just as well because it's only one, but it's a tiny one. A teeny totty. Seed potato. Oh, go on. Anything else before I move on to the other plant? Nope. No, that's my lot. Take the weeds out while I'm here. Yeah. Okay. Come on. Positivity. One. 2. Could there be 3? 3 on the one plant. Oh, happy days. I got 3 off. Oh no, 4. I got 4 off one little plant. Oh, that's cool. Well, I'm quite happy with that. I think that's it for that tub. Right, last one. Let me go and get it. I'll take my gloves off and show you. In this one, if you've seen the short relating to this, you will know what that means. It's fairly self-explanatory, but we'll leave that one to the end. Now, I know there's only 2 plants showing up, but I'm convinced I had one here. So I'm going to try this and see if there's anything. One did die off pretty much as soon as I transplanted them. Must have been that one. Yeah, oh no, hang on. There's still one there. Looks like a pear, but it's a potato. I just can't help thinking there should be more. Anyway, that's just my natural level of greed. This looks healthy. Oh, yeah. They're small. perfectly formed. Just perfectly formed. Look at that. So cute. And another one. 3 off that one. Yeah, that's all. Get my hands in. No. Okay. Now, move this over. Oh. The gonad potato. Let's see if it produces anything. Come on, don't let me down. Okay. I'm doing it this way so you can see exactly what I see as we take the soil away. One. It's weird, I'm getting some that are white and pink. It's very strange. So there's one. Ooh. Oh, okay. Oh, I think I sliced that with the trowel. Kind of a strange shaped one. Put it in the box. I'll leave it there just now to get rid of the bit I cut off by accident. Oh, how do you get 3 different coloured potatoes from the one plant? Oh, there's another little one, little tiny one. That's that bit done. But that's really weird. Okay, I've got 4. And they're all different colours. Liar. This is from the one plant. I think. Maybe I snuck another one in. Surely. You can't get 2 different kinds from one plant, so I must have snuck one in. Anyway, final count. Oh, just found another one in the soil. What is going on? Okay, I think that's it. Let's have a look. That's the final tally. Oh, one fell through the hole in the box. Get back here. Don't make it look worse. Oh, for goodness sake. Get them in the sun so you can see. I actually did get some. Is that the worst harvest so far in this challenge? Grow along, sorry. Is that the worst one? I don't know. It's something though. I've had to move round because the sun was just blinding me. So it's not maybe the biggest harvest you've seen on this grow along. But it does prove that those little tiny potatoes, just like Terry's been telling us, can produce something. I mean, see that little tiny one there? That's what I was putting in. And that has produced potatoes this size. If it's the worst harvest, I'm okay with it. You can let me know in the comments, I don't mind. But thank you for joining me on this reveal of the potato harvest for Terry King's very small seed potato grow along. I'll try the next one. Oh wait a minute. Stop. Some fell in the bucket. Wait. Now I've got them all. See? It looks so much better. That made all the difference. Until the next one, you take care of yourself. Oh dear. At least I've got the tubs to put something else in now.